This screencast will teach you how to create an Arkansas Ideas PDF record of learning for the science of reading. Step 1, navigate to Arkansas Ideas and log into your account. If you are logged in, you'll see your name in the upper right-hand corner. Next, select Record of Learning. Once you are on this page, Record of Learning, All Courses, type in the Science of Reading in the course title, then select Is Before January 4th, 2019. Select Search, and the courses that you have completed will appear here. Then select PDF Landscape. This will give you the opportunity to rename this SOAR Rogers Suzanne January 4th, 2019. Since we will be accumulating these over the next few years, it's important to keep track of which one is which. Select Save. And then you will be able to save your PDF in your PD portfolio and share with the appropriate people. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact me.